Hi everyone, hope you guys are all doing well. I'm here with my April 2018 Ipsy bag. So I just wanted to show you guys what came in my bag. For starters, yes, right up my alley. You guys know I love the butterflies. This is multi-colored butterflies. We've got some corals, some pinks and purple. Absolutely gorgeous. And then some rose gold detailing, and then on the back is a dusty purple. It's beautiful. Inside we've got, ooh, there's a sneak peek of what I got in there. It is lined with the dusty purple as well, and then we've got a rose gold zipper pull and zipper. So super beautiful bag. Absolutely love it. The theme is social butterfly. Cute. And the products I got are really good. So I've already played around with three things actually. The first thing I got was a full-size brush from the brand Glamour Dolls. This is a crease brush. It works perfectly for in this crease. I kind of like it mainly for, not really for like doing a transition necessarily, but for really targeting that crease. It fits in there perfectly for me. So absolutely loving this already. And then I got a mask from the brand called Mud Masky. I've never heard of this brand before. On the back here it says that it's made in the Netherlands, so that's cool. It is not tested on animals. It says that it's pore refining, hydrating, anti-aging, brightening, and smoothing. So we will have to do this and give it a try for a Mask Monday for sure. And then I also got a mini mascara from the brand Douce. Is it Douce? I think. I have never tried their mascara, so I look forward to giving this a try. I did get a palette from this brand that was in my FabFitFun box, and I think that it's okay. So I look forward to trying the mascara. It is called Punk Volumizer Mascara. So very cool. And that's a nice sample size. It's like a deluxe sample for sure. And then I got a eyeshadow from the brand called Luna. This is in the color Celine. This is I've already played around with this and put it on my lid and everything. In the container here, it looks to be like, it would be a brown, like I could probably get away with it, you know, as a brown, but it's really not a brown. It's a weird color because it's almost champagne-y, rose goldy, and very much more like on the pink champagne-y rose gold side than brown, which is so weird. It's almost like it's got a shift to it. So it's really a pretty lid color for me, and I enjoy it so far. So far I'm really liking that. I've gotten Luna before in a Ipsy bag. I got it, what was it that I got from this brand? I believe it was a highlighter, like a purplish toned highlighter from the brand Luna, and I enjoy it. It's a nice highlighter, so I think it's a really good brand. And then lastly, I got a soft matte lip cream from NYX, which is super cool because this is again another full-size product. So this is in the color Stockholm. So this is almost like a terracotta type color. So it's super pretty. I think I'll really enjoy this in the fall probably. And I always love how these soft matte lip creams smell. They smell so good. Like a cake maybe. Like a confetti cake sort of. Oh, they're so good. Really love them. And I really like these formulas. They wear really nice on the lips. They don't feel overly drying like some lip creams, you know, feels good. It's comfortable to wear. So that's it. I'll just really quick do I can't speak today, you guys. I'm sorry for that. Real quick recap. NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream, the mask from Mud Masky, Luna eyeshadow in the color Celine, and then the Punk Volumizer Mascara from the brand Douce, and this Glamour Dolls crease brush. So super cute. I'm super happy with everything that came in my Ipsy bag. Let me know what you guys got in your bag. Did you love it? Did you hate it? I'd love to interact with you in that way, so please leave a comment down below. Also, if you're interested in signing up with Ipsy, it is $10 per month, and you always get 5 products in each bag. So I often get full-size products, so it's completely worth that 10 bucks per month. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I will see you in the next video. Bye, everyone.